Hello, Professor Cawthorn. This is my video for week 7. As you'll read in my wiki for the week, I was kind of struggling figuring out how to use the utilities and headers and the programs provided to complete the task that was asked of us. So after a day or two of kind of struggling through that and trying to figure that all out, I essentially went to the internet to try to find a new solution to see if I could find a way that would either perfectly recreate or at least nearly recreate what was asked for us to do. So what I ended up finding was this program that you see ahead of, or in front of you. It was more of like a general program that I found that I ended up working with. So essentially I used the built-in module CSV that's given with Python, and here I'm writing the CSV file to a new file that writes it, and then I essentially read the file and I used something called a delimiter. I'm assuming you do know what it is, but essentially what I did was I got rid of those nasty commas in the file and got rid of the spaces, and then I rewrote it. And then in this block of code, what I do is I open the new CSV file that it's a little bit more neatened up, and write it to a text file, which was what was asked of us. Well, essentially I appended it to a text file and called it team final, wrote it to the new line, and then it created the file. And let's see, this is essentially, nope, that's the older one. This is essentially the outcome of it. So I wasn't able to get these headers and all of the data to line up perfectly, unfortunately. I still kind of struggled trying to get that together, but I think overall the code worked fairly well compared to what I was able to accomplish with the programs that were given. I still struggle with that, and as you'll see in my wiki, kind of hoping for a little bit of an explanation essentially as to what I should have done and what was expected of the code that you gave us and what our solution was expected to be. But as you can see, I mean, this is a lot more readable than what the original is. It's just a cluster of data. But yeah, that's the code I was able to accomplish for this week. And like I said, I'd like to hear about what was essentially our expected outcome, if not that. But that would be my video for the week. Thank you.